So guys, I woke up last week and I found this on the floor. Oh my god. Most likely one of my cats hates her, or I like to believe it was an accident. She looks so sad and broken. Her head's almost off. Both of her arms were broken as well as her feet or her hooves. And she was wobbly on the stand. Oh, and her leaf crown was in 1,000 pieces. So I started immediately with the repairs. I did them all with superglue and baking soda. And it took me much longer than I anticipated. But trust me, she's all new at the end. I think even better than before, but I get ahead of myself. So I glued all the broken parts as much as I could. And all the pieces that were still missing I put back on with a mixture of baking soda and white glue. I smoothed everything out with a brush. And after all was dried, I sanded everything. Even the tiniest of places. And after that, a coat of fresh paint. It's a bit weird filming this as a short because I don't think it's short enough to be one, but it is what it is. Some touch-ups here on her hooves with Inktense pencils. And then I thought she was done. Some little adjustments on her wings, her lights on the place. But I totally forgot about her crown. I didn't have any more leaves already made, so I took some of my leftover spikes I made for my gargoyle and I glued them on together with UV resin and some golden metallic paints, and now she's done. So one fairly quick and short repair video before I began to edit my next full video. See you guys!